Hi, my name is Mohammad Athar, and I am a computational scientist working at INSTEM, which is situated in National Center for Biological Sciences, Bangalore. Previously, I did my schooling at my native place, which is District Sambhal, Uttar Pradesh. After that, completed my graduation in biotechnology from Dehradun, Uttarakhand, and PG in applied chemistry at BBA Central University, Lucknow. Finally, I did my PhD in chemical sciences from Central University of Gujarat, Gandhinagar, with Professor Prakash Jha. Now, thinking about how I developed interest in science, I need to go back to my school days, where I inspired by my teacher named Dr. Santosh, who used to explain scientific phenomena in a very simplistic and lucrative way. Questions were like how do DNA control heredity and represent genetics, how enzymes selectively choose their substrate, how simple molecules construct complex materials. All these fundamental questions impelled me to opt science and then biotechnology as a major subject. Thereafter, I build up and goes on and on into my research field. Uh, Talking about my research, my actual research journey started as a doctoral fellow in computational chemistry, where I started by learning and implementing theoretical methods for modeling the chemical systems. In particular, my research domain is theoretical chemistry, which tries to explain data from chemistry experiments. In particularly, it uses mathematics and computers. We basically predicts what happens when atoms combine to form molecules, and also predict the chemical properties, the characteristic feature of the molecules. An important part of theoretical chemistry is quantum chemistry, which provides the basis for understanding molecular valency, like number of bonds formed by an atom of a molecule. Other important parts include molecular dynamics, statistical thermodynamics, reaction mechanisms, and catalysis, etc. We theoreticians provide several choices to the experimental scientist by creating more than one theoretical model and rank them based on the priority. Then, after validating a particular model with benchmark studies, we give it to other scientists, which help them to measure properties of interest. This further helps chemists or scientists to choose between several different or opposite models. With theoreticians also tries to generate or modify models to fit onto new data. If the data cannot fit onto the model, chemists try to make smallest changes according to the model in order to fit onto the data. In some cases, chemists completely throw out a model if a lot of data will not fit onto the model over time. As far as my research is concerned, I have worked on identifying the conformation of molecule, meaning that a molecule may exist in more than one state. I have characterized energetics and equilibrium of one of the very fascinating supramolecule, that is Calixaries. Uh, I'm also betrothed in silico designing of conformation log supramolecules pertaining to their structural energetics and molecular recognition. Uh, Other major pursuits lie in the area of medicinal chemistry. At presently, I am working in this field, and it ranges from drug discovery, in silico virtual screening, lead optimization, designing, target identification to its validation. And at present, I am actively collaborating with researchers in several other disciplines of chemistry and life sciences to further validate and interpret their research findings exclusively related to bioactivity and de novo ligand design and optimization. Now, regarding advice to young scientists, I have two suggestions. Number one is if you read science, then try to relate the knowledge base to new problems and topics. And the second, which is very important, if you really want to become a scientist, then ask as many questions as you can. You and your teacher may not have answers to all, but that will surely increase your inquisitiveness and curiosity to learn and understand more stuff. At last, I really want to thank Karma Foundation for providing this platform. Thanks.